What's up, food lovers? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tony Two-Ton, and these are my little monsters. This is
Jackson.
This is
Parsley.
and this is little Harper. So tonight we're making some dinner, and we want to share with you our recipe of the chimichurri sauce. Right? How you say it?
Yeah. Chimichurri.
Chimichurri sauce, and we're gonna cook it with some steak.
Yeah.
So we got the rice cooking, we got the ingredients ready. So if you're ready, let's get to cooking. Let's go. So here we go, guys. We are finished with the steak and chimichurri sauce. So let's try it out, okay? Go ahead, try it out. Look at this. See that? How is it?
Good.
Hi, Papa.
Good.
Good? So guys, give this sauce a try. If you like it, come back, give me a thumbs up on the video, and I'll see you next time, all right? Thank you. Good night.
And leave it slide.
Okay, should have got a small one.
Yeah, nuggets.
Yeah, and then wait for mom, okay? Wait for mom.
It's good. Good. I like the steak.
Good.